Hello and welcome back to the channel. Uh, Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to cover Excel 3B simulation training. If you find any use in this video or enjoy it, please click the like button, leave a comment, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe, you'll get notified whenever new material is posted. Alright, so back to the Excel 3B simulation training. We're going to go into that right now, starting with our the first task. Just like all the rest of them, please make sure you check your spelling and spacing, and close attention to the directions. So you do get a little more advanced. Let's get that spacing right. And all right. So the first task is using parentheses in a formula to calculate a percentage rate of increase. So in the range B3 to F3, let's go here. Use the fill handle to fill the years in 1 year increments. So let's go 220. So let's go 220 or 2020 tab 2021 tab. So now let's go here and select 2020 and 2021. Just hold down the left mouse button. Come over here till we get our little black plus, little arrow or cross, and let's hold the left mouse button down and drag it over here and let it go. And what? Okay, yeah, it auto filled. Not down here though. That should have been there. I don't know what I did. So, I guess it was there. That was already there. All right. So let's go to cell C5. Type in the formula E parentheses or equals parentheses C4 minus B4. Close the parentheses and divide that by B4. All right, calculate the rate and increase it for the first year. So I'm going to try the tab key, and that worked. Format cell C5. So hit enter, what took me down with percentage style. C5, go back up. Percentage styles here. And copy formula for C5 through D5 through F5. So we're going to go over. Three times. And then it'll give us those percentages. Alright, use the format painter to copy the format of cell A2 to A7. So here's A2. Here's the format painter. Now I'm going to click it once because I'm only going to use it once. Now what's the other one? A7. And copy that format. Alright, copy the value in the cell F4 to B11. Press escape. So F4. To B11. So let's copy. So I'll push the copy and go to B11 and then go to paste. Alright, and I copy the. So that's it for 2. On to 3, which is calculating the value after an increase in cell C11. Type equals B. Asterisk for times. And then you got your parentheses, 100% plus $sign B $8. Then close your parentheses. Cell B8. To calculate projected tourism spending after the forecast did increase in cell B8 is added to the first year total. So I'm going to hit tab. It didn't do it for me, so let's try it again. So make sure I'm in C11 again. I am in C11. Equals B11 asterisk 100%. Check it out this time. Plus $B, $8, close parentheses. $B. So I'm double checking to make sure I got it right. I didn't hit the tab button last time. Where's B8? Okay, there, okay. So I'm gonna hit enter. We'll use this right here, see if that works. Yep, that works better. So don't use the tab afterwards. Actually, yeah, it was a formula, so I had to put either enter or the check. So use Format Painter to copy the format from B11 to C11. Format Painter. See, but away. If you double tap it, it'll stay. You can use it multiple times, but when you get done, you have to go back and unclick it. If you click it once, you'll use it once. As soon as you use it, it'll go back, so you don't have to click it again. So that's what I did. I was using it once instead of the time like we did in the Word exercise. All right, so copy the format it in C11 to D11 through F11. So we're just going to drag these over, and there you go. Copy. That's it for 3. On to 4. Task 4 is answering what-if questions and using paste special. Copy the range B11 to F11. Click cell B5. So copy the range. So let's copy it. So click cell B15. B15. Okay. Then right click in the shortcut menu, paste special. Go to the arrow, and under paste values here, click values and numbering. Numbering format that. Okay, values numbering formatting right here. And there you have it. Change the value in cell B8 to 10%. B8 here. 10. Just going to do 10. It's already set to percentage. Copy the range B11 to F11. Just copy those. Hit the copy. And then paste the values and number formatting to cells B16. So do it again. Paste values. It should be here. Values and numbering formatting. There we go. Copy the range to B11 and then paste the values number to B15. Cancel the moving borders. So all you do here, these are the moving borders, is hit escape and that'll go away. Alright, that was it for task number 4. On to task number 5, called inserting multiple rows and creating a line chart. So on the page layout tab in the themes group, so let's go page layout tab here. In the themes group here, click colors. Oh, themes group, sorry. This is a themes group. This is themes, but this is colors, so click colors. And you want to go to red. So you go down here, let's scroll. And here's red. Click that. And there's your red theme chart. And now in the row header area, select rows 6 to 21. Here's the row area 6. Hold down left mouse button, go down to 21. Let it go. Here, select it. Right click over the selection and then click insert to insert the same number of blank rows as you selected. So right click insert right here. Alright, so next select the range A4 to F4. Let's go to A4 to F4 straight across. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click Insert Line or Area Chart. So on the Insert tab, sorry, here's the Insert tab up here. Now let's go to the Charts group. There's a Charts group. Insert Line and Area Chart. Let's see what this one's right here, I do believe. Insert Line and Area Chart. Click it. Under 2D, click Line with Markers. Okay, here we go. 2D, line, I think it's this one. Yep, Line with Markers right here. The fourth one. Click that. Alright, and now we went over. Alright, now position the chart so that the top left corner of the chart aligns in top right area of cell A6. So there's A6. Booyah. So even if it's close, it'll set it up for you. Alright, next, point to the chart title Tourism Spending and right click to display the shortcut menu. On the shortcut menu, click Edit Text to place the insertion point at the beginning of the title. Type Springbury. So you're not going to delete it. You're just going to type in front of that, add Springbury to the front of it. And space. And then press spacebar, which I did. Press N to move to the end. Cursor's at the end. Spending. And then press Enter. So you go down to the next line, type Springbury, and then press spacebar. Oh, wait a minute. Type 2020 to 2024. So 2020 to 2024 in that space, and then click the outside border of the chart title. Now it's important that you click this border and you get this right here, chart area. If you get this right here, you click, then click left click, and it will save it. If not, if you click inside of it, it won't do anything. If you click outside of it, it'll erase what you put and go back to what was already there. So make sure you get this emblem right here before you left click. All right. With the border surrounding the title displayed as a solid line, there you go. So it's selected, I guess that's what you want to do. Point to the chart title and then right click. Point to it, says, hold on. Alright. Click font. However you do that, you want to make sure you right click and get this menu. Click font and then format the chart title with bold. It's font. Font style. Let's go bold. Just bold. Click the font color arrow here. And then in the second column, click the first color. Click OK. And now task 5 is complete. We move on to task 6, which is formatting axis in a title chart. At the bottom of the chart, point to any of the numbers 1 through 5 and then right click. So you don't select them, you just right click on them. On the shortcut menu, click Select Data. On the right side of the Select Data Source dialog box, under Horizontal Category Access Labels, click Edit. Horizontal Category Access Labels, and here's the edit, click that. Select the years in the range B3 to F3, and then click OK. So where's B3 at? Scroll up a little bit. B3. So you can move this on down. So B3 to F3. See what it looks like in there when you do that? Alright, click OK. Okay. In the Select Data Source dialog box, click OK. Alright. So they changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the years. Or whatever you type in there, it's going to change on the chart. Right, on the left side of the chart, do the same thing. right click over there, get the menu. On the shortcut menu, click Format Axis in the Format Axis pane. Let's go Format Axis. Format Axis pane is here. Under Bounds, click Minimum Box and type 5 million. Yep. 5123 123. And hit Enter. Modify the vertical value access so that the major unit is 1.5 mil. So here's the major. 1512 123. Enter. There you have it. So that's all for task 6. On to task 7, which is formatting the chart area in a line chart. Right, near the top of the Format Axis pane, under Format Axis, click the Axis option arrow. Access option arrow here. And then click Chart Area to display the Format Chart Area pane. Chart Area. Click Fill in Line. Fill in Line here. Like that. Now, click Fill to expand the options. And then click Picture to or Texture File. Picture or texture file here. Click that. Click the texture arrow. Here we go. Sorry. Texture here. Here's the arrow. And they want you to fit these. Click the texture arrow in this last column, third texture parchment. So last column, the third one down is right here. Click Fill to collapse option. Let's go back up. So here's the fill. You just click that and it'll close that for you. Click Border. To expand the option, click the Solid Line option button. Click Color arrow. And then under Theme Colors, in the 6th column, click the first color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the orange. And set the width to 2 points. Here's the width. Near the bottom of the Format Chart Area pane, click the Rounded Corners button. So let's go down here. Here's your Rounded Corners button. Select it. There you have it. You see those corners are rounded now and not pointed. Alright, that was all for 7. On to 8, which is formatting the plot area, grid lines, and axis fonts in a line chart. To the right of the chart, click Chart Elements. There you go. Click that. Point to grid lines. Click the arrow, and then click More Options. More Options. Click the Solid Line option button. Click the color arrow. Here's the arrow. And then in the last column, click the last color set with the width of 1. Set the last color, so it's purple. And the width is going to be 1. Set that as anything. Okay. Is there anything else with that one? Nope. Alright, so what I'm going to do is scroll down. Maybe this will get it done. That's what I was saying about when you do this, sometimes it'll get. Let's try it. To the right of the chart, click that. Click the chart elements, point to the grid lines. Got over here. Got this More option. Click Solid Line option, which is here. Let's see. Click the color arrow, then the last column, click the last color, set the width to 0.1 width, and that's it. So we go here, let's see something. I'm trying to get this to click over. Let's close this and see if that works. Nope. Yeah. Let me see if I can get this to. So yeah, here under themes, this is the last color of the theme. It's not purple, it's standard color. So that's why I wouldn't let me go forward. But now it did. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and right click, select this area, then right click in it. Go to fonts. What are we asking? To the right chart. Okay, we're still asking this. I'm gonna set this to 1. Sorry. Now format font vertical. So go here to the right, click fonts. So font style of bold. Let's go bold. Okay. Now format the font horizontal. We'll go here. Same thing. Click the right button. Click on font again. And this one wants to be bold as well. Click OK. And that's all for number 8. Going to number 9, which is creating and sizing a map chart. An advertising sheet, which we're already in. Select the range A3 to B8. A3 to B8. And then on the Insert tab in the Charts group, click Maps. Insert tab. Here's the Charts group. Here's Maps. And then click Field Map right here. And there we have it, Field Map. Add tourism advertisement by state as the chart title. Highlight that. Tourism. Advertising by state. Alright, so same thing. Let's go get this line right here. Click that. Position the chart so that the upper left corner of the chart aligns directly inside the upper left corner of cell D1. Alright, change the height of the chart to 2 inches and the width to 4 inches. Let's see how we got chart styles. Alright, let's go to the Format tab here. Alright, the Format tab over here is the size group. So we want this to be 2 inches tall. So type that 2, enter, and then 4 inches wide, 4, enter. And there you have it. And that's all for number 9. Let's mosey on over to number 10, which is creating and sizing a funnel chart. Select the range A15 to B17. And then click on the Insert tab. In the Charts group, here's the Charts group. In the Inserts tab, click Insert Waterfall. So there's that. Let's find it. That's Insert Lines. Insert Combo. Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock Surface, and or Radar Chart. So the radar chart, click Funnel to start a funnel chart. So, yeah. Funnel. So that's it. Change the height of the chart to 2.5 inches and the width to 4 inches. So once again, let's go to that Format tab like we did before. And we go in the size area. Highlight this, type 2.5. Enter. And 4 inches, just 4 here, and enter. And it adjusted the chart size for us. Now add a promotional event as the chart title. Add promotional event. Same thing, click there, you can highlight this area. Right, so now let's get this checked. I want to look for that arrow cross, and just left click and update your chart title. Next, position the chart so that the upper left corner of the chart aligns slightly inside the upper left corner of D12. So get it to drag. Here's D12, upper left hand corner. Close, and it'll adjust it for you if you get it close. Alright, so that was Microsoft Excel 3B simulation training. We've completed those tasks. Thank you so much for joining. Please leave a like and a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And we'll see you on our next video as we move on to Excel 4A simulation training. All right. Thank you so much. Take care and have a wonderful day.